Hey guys, CQ here, and today I want to talk to you about the Urwerk UR120, aka the Spock. But before I get into this watch, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep seeing more videos just like this. Alright, let's jump into this watch. I've been waiting to get my hands on this watch for quite a long time. The Urwerk UR120, aka the Spock. This is an insane watch. I love seeing pieces like this. I love interesting ways to tell time, and that is what you have here with all Urwerks, to be honest with you, but the UR120 does it in a very special way. So first, let's get into the case. We're doing sandblasted steel with sandblasted titanium on it, giving you a nice matte effect on the whole watch, which I really enjoy. Now the case is 44 by 47 millimeters in diameter, 15.8 millimeters in thickness. So not the thickest watch, not the thinnest watch, but this is a very wearable watch. Now, if you look at the case, you can see there are a lot of angles here, but everything is soft. A lot of soft angles and curves on this watch, making it very ergonomic and very wearable. That's probably one of the most surprising things about getting this watch in my hands and being able to play with it is how wearable this watch is on the wrist. The lugs are articulated as well, and they have a lot of flex there, making sure whatever wrist size you have, once you have it tightened down the proper way, it's going to be a very comfy fit to you. And I wouldn't be afraid wearing this watch if I have a larger wrist or a smaller wrist. I think this, this will play with everybody really well. It's a beautiful case there, very well done. Let's get to the star of the show, and it's the way that they tell time. So they use a satellite display in all of their watches, meaning you have a center point, and then around that center point you have a disc or blocks that's spinning around and changing and telling you time. So what they did with the Spock is basically you have 6 rectangle blocks that form 3 squares, and as they rotate around the dial of the watch, they split open like the Vulcan salute Spock, and they rotate and they come back together, and that gives you your hour, and that proceeds to point with a little arrow on this kind of retrograde minute display that's on where you traditionally call your 3 o'clock side of your watch. It is such an amazing thing to see happen. Setting the time on this watch is one of the most fun things ever, just because you get to see that action. It's very fluid as well. Everything open, rotating, coming back together, and it just makes you think, how did they even think of this? How did they even put this all together? And I think it's fun that when you do your research, you see that they were literally inspired by Spock and the Star Trek TV show, and how they make the Vulcan salute and putting that into a watch and really put in a really great platform mixed together with an awesome complication, awesome way of telling time that is beautiful. If you're somebody who's into high horology, if you're somebody who's into utilitarian watches, something that is very usable, even though it's telling time in a crazy way. If you're looking for something fun, unique, that's going to stand out in your collection, the UR120 is the watch you should check out and put on your wrist. For these and many more watches, make sure you check out davidsw.com, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to keep seeing videos just like this.